Have you ever felt exhausted trying to make everyone happy? Maybe you have tried to convince someone to stay, explain yourself to people who misunderstand you, or worried constantly about what others think. What if I told you that just two simple words could change your life? Those words are let them. In today's video, I will be sharing the key lessons from the best selling book, The Let Them Theory by Mel Robbins. Let's get started. Lesson 1. Stop trying to control other people. One of the biggest reasons we feel stressed is because we try to control things that are completely outside our control. We want people to like us, we want them to understand us, we want them to make the choices we think are right. But but here's the truth. People will do what they want to do. Instead of fighting reality, Mel Robbins says, let them. If they don't invite you, let them. If they don't agree with you, let them. If they choose to leave, let them. You cannot control their actions, but you can control your response. Lesson 2. Focus on let me. The book introduces another powerful idea. After saying let them, say let me. Let me focus on my goals. Let me protect my peace. Let me build a better future. Let me stop wasting energy on things I can't change. This simple mindset shift gives you back your power. Lesson 3. Stop seeking approval. Many of us spend years trying to get everyone to like us, but no matter what you do, someone will always judge you. Instead of changing your life to please everyone, let them have their opinion. You don't need everyone's approval to live a meaningful life. Lesson for healthy relationships. The people who truly value you want to need to be forced to stay. If someone wants to leave, let them. If someone does not respect you, let them. The right people will choose you without pressure or persuasion. Healthy relationships are built on mutual respect, not control. Lesson 5. Protect your time and energy. Every minute you spend worrying about someone else's choices is a minute taken away from your own dreams. Instead of asking, why did they do this? Ask yourself, what can I do next? Focus on what you can control. That's where real growth begins. The biggest message from the let them theory is simple. Stop trying to control other people. Accept what you cannot change. Focus on yourself. Protect your peace. And remember, let them be who they are. Let me become who I am meant to be. Sometimes the greatest freedom comes from letting go. If you found this summary helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video.